Good morning, students. My name is Om Prakash Singh, and I am the faculty of Kota, Rajasthan. So let's we study the chemical reactions and equation of class 10th CBSE. So, first of all, we are going to start the new chapter, chemical reaction and equation. We have to balance the chemical reactions. And what is the chemical reaction? So first of all, the chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction means in a chemical reaction, the reactant and product both are comes in there. Whenever this is the reactant that implies product. And what is reactant? Reactant means the things which react and the substance which participate in reaction is called reactant. And what is product? Product means the outcomes of the reaction is called product. Okay, so this is the what is reactant and what is product, and mainly two things are very important, reactant and product, for the chemical reaction. And what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction the reaction in which reactant and product involves, right, is called chemical reaction. Okay, this is the chemical reaction. First of all, we have to learn the 20 elements, up to 20 elements in class 10th only. So, okay, is this done? Reactant, product, and chemical reaction. Okay. Very simple it is. The outcomes of the reaction is called product, and the substance which react is called reactant. And in reactant, the elements combine to form the compound. Up to 20 elements. Name, symbol, atomic number, and atomic mass. These things are important. Yeah, bilkul. These things are very important to the chemical reactions chapter. First thing is hydrogen. Second, if you write the full name of them, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. This is the 10 elements, and their symbol is hydrogen, helium, Li lithium, Be beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Atomic number is 1, 2. We have to learn the serial number of the elements. Atomic number will be arranged in serial number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Atomic mass is 1, 4, 6, 4 to the 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18, and 20. This is the atomic number, write down. After that, sodium, write down this one. Okay? Yes. And this is the same number up to 10. Number 11. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Symbol is Na, symbol is Mg, Al, Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, and calcium it will be Ca. The atomic number is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This will be the atomic mass 23.5. If the odd number are there, we have to double plus 1, and the even we have to only double it. 12 means 24, 13 means 27, 14 means, that's the write the name accordingly, 24, 27, 28, 31, 32, 35.5, 36, 39.5, and 40. We have to learn only this. We have to learn up to 20 elements and few radicals also. After that, we can make the chemical reaction. After this, we can make the chemical reaction only. Okay? Right. So some radicals are there with their valency. Some radicals like carbonates, CO3, valency 2. This one. Nitrates, NO3, valency 1. Sulfate, SO4, valency 2. Okay? Yes, see there. Very simple it is. If you learn this type of the compounds, this type of the radicals, we are very simple to go through the chemical reactions. Permanganate, MnO4 1, chlorate, Cr2O7 2. This is the valency, and this symbol, and this is the name of the radicals. Okay. Now we go to the chemical reactions. After that, we go to the balancing the equation also. First of all, the type of chemical reaction. What is the types of chemical reaction? Number 1, combination reaction. Second, decomposition. Number 3, okay, double decomposition. Okay, displacement. Displacement reaction, double displacement. And number 6, oxidation. And number 7, reduction reaction. Okay. Having the 7 types of the chemical reactions are there, and after that we go to the point combination reaction. The first reaction are there. We have to discuss the combination reaction. If 2 elements combine to form the compound, is called combination reaction. Number 1. Okay. And what is combination reaction? Two or more than 2 elements combine to form compounds is called combination reaction. Okay. Now go to the example. When C plus O2 will combine, then form CO2. And what is the valency? Valency of the carbon is 4. Valency of oxygen is 2. Cross multiply. The formula is CO2. Okay. Now we go to the very simple now. CO2, how it is the form? C2. This will see there. C2O4. C2O4. Simplest. This will form CO2. Okay. Valency will be the simplest here. Simplest form. Okay. Yes. Now the second example. Better. Okay. The next example is N2 plus S2 Nitrogen, the valency of nitrogen is 3. The valency of hydrogen is 1. Cross multiply. Then form NH3. NH3. Yes. Cross multiply it is form. Only you have to make the chemical reaction. And after that we have to balance it. Okay. Next. In the next class